Hi everyone, I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology and Social Work, Fatima College, Madurai. In this video, I am going to be shared about ashramas and its importance. Ashrama system, the term ashrama to encompass any sort of religious retreat. In addition to practicing yoga and meditation, attendees may also receive the instruction from the religious teachers and do some type of manual and mental work during the stay at the ashram. For ashramas, in Hinduism, human life is believed to comprise of 4 stages. These are called ashramas, and every person should ideally go through each of these stages. First ashrama, brahmacharya or student stage. The second ashrama, grahastha or household stage. The third ashrama, vanaprastha or hermit stage. The fourth ashrama, sannyasa or wandering ascetic stage. Ashrama life cycle, it is focuses on dharma, the Hindu concept of moral rightness, and in the 4 ashramas, dharma is learned, practiced, taught and realized. Brahmacharya or student stage. Brahmacharya is a period of formal education lasting until the age 25, during which the students leaves the home to stay with the guru and attain both spiritual and practical knowledge. The student has 2 duties: to learn the skills of his life and to practice unwavering devotion to his teachers. During this period, he is called as a brahmachari as he prepares for his future profession as well as his family and social and religious life ahead. Grahastha, the household stage. The second ashrama begins at marriage, when one must undertake the responsibility for earning a living and supporting a family. At this stage, Hindus first practice dharma but also pursue wealth or material gratifications and indulge in sexual pleasures under certain defined social and cosmic norms. Vanaprastha or hermit stage. The Vanaprastha stage, one of the gradual withdrawal, the person's duty as a household comes to an end. He has become a grandfather, his children are grown up and have established lives of their own. At this age, he should renounce all physical, material and sexual pleasures, retire from his social and professional life and leave his home for the forest head, where he can spend his time in prayers. The hermit is allowed to take his spouse along with him but maintains little contact with the rest of the families. Sannyasa, the wandering ascetic stage. One of the renunciation and realization of dharma. At this stage, a person is supposed to be totally devoted to God. His sannyasi, he has no home, no other attachment. He has renounced all desires, fears, hopes, duties and responsibilities. He is virtually merged with God, all his worldly ties are broken and his sole concern becomes attaining moksha. However, very few Hindus can go up this stage of becoming a complete ascetic stage. Thank you.